Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Today's pour is going to be a little different. Going to try and attempt something a little different for me. So the first stage of it is kind of flooding the top end of my canvas with a very thin coat of white. As you can see, it's sort of dribbling off there, and I'm just only doing half of it, or sort of 3/4 of it purposely. And I'm going to now, that colour I've got there is a deep sort of, or what should I call it, aubergine, eggplant colour. It's a colour that I made up myself, and I'm going to use that to swipe, but just tipping some over the back so it coats the back of my canvas. And then I will be using a soft plastic file divider. You can get them from any office wear stores, you know, where you buy stationery or anything, and I just use them for swipe, and I've used them ever since I started doing my videos 5 or 6 years ago now, and they're just great. You can just keep re-cleaning them and re-wiping them. So I'm doing a swipe, and I'm going to let you watch on as how this evolves all on its own. It was a lovely process to do, and it was really nice to do something really different. So bear with me, guys, because it is beautiful.
Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow.
So as you can see, that swipe turned out beautiful, but I purposely left that lower part of the canvas without paint on, because yes, I am intended to scrape it off, because I have something else that I want to do on the bottom. But I'm kind of creating my shapes there for how I want this to go, with scraping it off with that offset spatula. Now that last colour that I did use, it was just the paint mixed with Floetrol only, so that's hence why I got those gorgeous cells. And the bottom of it, I want to have a block colour, so it's solid with no cells, and you'll get the gist in a few minutes of why I did this. But yeah, it's was a nice process for me to sort of create in my art room. I've been very, very busy with overseas visitors and haven't done much art at all. I've been holidaying and having a good time, so it was great to get back in the art room, put the air conditioning on, just dedicate my time to do some paintings on this particular day. So we've had very, very hot weather here in Australia, and but enjoyed every minute of it, because we're lucky enough to live in a wonderful town, have a pool, and yeah, just beautiful, beautiful summer we're having. So I'll let you watch this evolve, and I'll just jump in when I feel I need to.
Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Purposely tilting it to get kind of those drips, so it creates another pattern on that solid colour at the bottom. So that is definitely how I wanted it to go, and I'll just add some of my little tweaking. Should I call it tweaking at the bottom? But yes, there's more to go, so keep watching.
All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So my next idea for this is I'm using this gold. It's just like a really gold, I think it was by Montmartre gold, and I really love it. It's really, a really sheeny, shiny gold. And what my intention is, showing you that cup, is use the cup as kind of my stencil for a bubble effect that I want to do on the top of that piece. So it's just dipping my plastic cup into the gold and then pressing it on my canvas. So how simple is that to create a bubble, like a bubble effect, and watch this one evolve.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with.
Give it a whiz over with my dryer. How easy was that? Something different for me. I was really happy about it. I'll definitely probably try something in the more Gilly colours, the more colourful colours, but that's something, it was just something a little different. I guess you could have it up any which way, but I sort of like that drip effect on the bottom, that all the paint was running down. So yeah, I gave it a go, enjoyed it, been there, done that, and now we'll move on. As you can see, it did dry super dark, but super cool. I was quite happy with that. I was going to finish off with some gold outlining on the drips and that, and maybe resin it to take on a whole different look, but super pleased with it. Please take care, my lovelies. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please, please, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member, a friend, or a helpline.
Baby, I just found the answers in you.